What's going on, guys? Conforti Brothers here for another video. It's been quite a bit of time, actually.
You say another video as if we post them often.
Oh yeah, no, it's been a while since we last made a video. Yeah, it's been like
weeks, maybe a month.
No, almost 2 months.
Wow, holy
almost
cow.
2 months.
We still exist.
We still exist. We've been extremely busy, guys. We've just been busy. We haven't had time to do anything.
Yeah.
We haven't really been driving the E55. If you saw on our Instagram at the Conforti Brothers, you follow now. We just broke 409,000 miles on E55, and now we're gonna work on it, which is gonna be today's video.
I think in our last video we said we're gonna start posting videos real frequent.
Yeah, but we're busy all the time.
But anyways, I think in the last video we might have mentioned that we had that oil leak coming from like the oil filter housing and the oil cooler, and we've been so busy that we haven't had time to fix it.
Yeah, so
that's what we're doing today.
So there's really no videos on how to do this, and we don't know what the hell we're doing, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot.
We're replacing a serpentine belt too while we're at it.
Might as well.
Terrible.
So we're gonna try to do this and teach you guys how to do it and save you $500, because that's how much our local dealer wanted.
Look at this. This is that 46 millimeter. Hopefully I bought the right one. Look at that. Look at that.
That's a big ass socket.
Look at that. It's not focusing in.
It don't matter.
Anyways, you guys get the idea. I got some adapters for it because that's what we need. But
yeah, so we got a mess. Go and tell them what we're gonna do first.
Without further ado, let's get started. Well, actually, I already started online. Tell me what we're doing over here, Nick.
All right, see.
So we got the car jacked up, and obviously to do this, we're gonna be draining the oil. So with the go underneath, I already started taking out some of the panels. I took the front one out, the back one. I took a few more screws out. I can get that out of there. And it looks like it's leaking oil all over the garage. So I'm sure my dad will appreciate that. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get that panel out, and then we'll be back in a second.
All right, guys. I don't know how well you can see, but these tires are completely shot.
Front tires.
Yeah, the two front tires.
Because the outside, we just had this line not too long ago, but I guess that line must be bad because the inside are shot and the outside is still.
But the tires, I mean, there's like no tread on these tires either.
Come over here and show what's going on. I just want to say something real fast. I have a Chevy shirt on. It's a Camaro shirt.
It was a free shirt. Wait, it's all blurry right now. Damn.
Get the shirt in.
There we go.
I don't like Camaros, and I'm not a fan of Chevy. I like Corvettes, but not a huge fan of Chevy. But the shirt was free, so I'm gonna rock it. Yeah, I'm doing dirty work, I guess, because I don't care about getting this shirt dirty. But
we rock free stuff, especially if anybody wants to sponsor us. We got the Mook outside.
What's that?
So we got the Mook outside. There's Hi, Primo. Primo.
There's our depot there.
There's Primo and the dailies. Well, the 550's not a daily.
But anyways, these are the panels from under the car. As you can tell, the oil leak is nasty. I mean, look, this is. Can you see that? How it's all wet?
Oh yeah.
This one here, you can literally see a puddle of oil on it. Look.
Yep.
I mean, it's just nasty. This one over here, this is the front.
That's what's causing a mess over the garage. You would have thought we owned some American car.
This is the front piece right here, and you can see it's a mess too, but this was cleaned not too long. Well, I should say last year, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna degrease these and clean them up nice, but we're not gonna worry about this right now because we have to get this car fixed first. All right, now as you can tell under here, everything is covered in oil. You can see it's a disaster. There is just oil everywhere. I'll try to come back here a little bit more so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I mean, there's oil dripping from like basically everywhere. It's a disaster. So I think what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to like degrease a lot of this and get a lot of that oil out, because after we fix the leaks, we wanna make sure the leaks aren't there anymore. And the only way to do that is by cleaning everything up so we can see if there's any new leaks forming. So yeah, this is it's a mess.
Since the last time we've seen you guys, I think we are getting ready for graduation. I don't know, did we graduate in the last video or not? Were we educated?
No, I think it was before. We're educated now, we get that paper.
We're educated now.
Paper now.
Yeah, so since the last video, we graduated. I think we graduated. I don't know if the video, but either way, we're educated. Let's see, what else?
Keep it rolling, I got right back.
The E55, we're working on it right now.
I think what was wrong with it. Like last video,
well, we just hit 409,000 miles on it. That's pretty good. But the problem here is, let's see, our oil filter housing right here, which we're working on tonight, trying to work on tonight. Well, it's leaking real bad, which caused the oil leak. The dealership wanted
leaking real bad, which caused the oil leak.
Yeah,
man,
you know.
This is comical.
So,
basically,
how much did the dealer want for this?
Wait a minute, what's going on, Nick? So basically, there's 3 oil seals. Show them over here. Look, there's 3 oil seals. There's 1 underneath the housing, and there's 2 inside here. I think this is the oil cooler, and well, those are lines for the cooler. And what happened is I think they're leaking pretty bad because we see oil leaking from there, so self-explanatory. But we took it to the dealer, which was actually a really stupid mistake because they wanted $500 to replace those. And
how much are we getting for? Like
get this off.
20 bucks?
Look at this Harbor Freight tool. Like my hands are oily.
Come on, use them.
We bought all the parts for 20. I think all 3 seals were like maybe $20, maybe less than that. And then obviously we bought new oil filter. This is embarrassing. Look at this. I can't get this off.
Everybody make fun of you. Got gains over here and can't even get the bolts off.
I know. I look small today. I didn't lift today, so I got no pump. Oh.
You jackass.
This oily hand thing's not. Oh my god! Thank God I got the towel there. Oh.
You're gonna have to blur that out. That's for the kids over here.
For no kids.
So what else we been up to? I don't remember.
I don't know. We haven't been really doing a whole lot lately. I mean, if you guys follow us on our
Instagram, you know,
40 Brothers.
Like a 40 Brothers. We post a lot of stuff on there.
Yeah, we also you know, search the whole country for some nice Mercedes. We always post different cars for sale that we think
auctions,
are good buys for people who are looking for nice older Mercedes, you know, from this era. But I'm just trying to get this off.
We've just been so busy. We tried to make a couple videos, but they were garbage. What else?
Most of our videos are pretty amateur.
Pretty amateur.
We're not the best at making.
I don't even, what the hell was our last video? Oh, our last video was us trying to buy a summer convertible or another AMG or something. Yeah, we haven't bought anything yet.
Yeah, I ain't buying nothing yet.
No, nothing yet. We bought a tractor.
Yeah, we bought a tractor. It's a Husqvarna. It's pretty nice.
I mean, if you guys want us to do a review on Husqvarna, it's like a top of the mook model. It's got like the big tires and everything. I mean, it's sweet.
52-inch cut, 27 horsepower.
Yeah.
It's got a British Strat engine, which I'm not a fan of.
No.
I prefer Kohler, but
we bought a tractor, so I mean, I guess that could be our summer whip for, you know, summer.
Yeah, but in all seriousness, we're trying to get this job done over here and save ourselves some money because everybody always makes fun of us. We don't really do. We do some work ourselves, but not all the work. Nick, remember how this goes, because I'll probably forget.
Well, let's just record it right here.
Yeah, remember how it goes.
Let's see, what are you doing over here?
I couldn't find one single video on an E55 on how to replace these. I just need a little more room for the tool. And
we were gonna do a like how-to video, but we don't know what we're doing.
Yeah, like Nick said, we're gonna do a how-to video, but the problem is we don't really know how to do it. We don't want to steer you guys in the wrong direction, so it's more of a vlog. And if we successfully complete this job, if you guys have questions, you can ask us. But if you guys have any questions about this car, if you want to see anything about it, I don't know.
DM us on Instagram. We reply to everybody.
DM us on Instagram. Yeah, that's better than doing YouTube because I don't check YouTube all the time. And actually, you know what? I just figured out that when you guys comment, I'll always go through and like everybody's comments. Well, I didn't realize I was just clicking the like button, not clicking like the little heart. So you guys don't know, like, you know, talking about Nico, how like whenever like a famous person like likes your comment, it has like a heart with like their little picture in it.
No.
Versus, yeah, well, I keep like everybody's comments.
You've been messing it up?
Yeah, I'm hitting the wrong button. I'm hitting the thumbs up versus the little heart. So they don't know it's us actually liking them. So they probably think we're jipping them, so.
Yeah, we kind of respond to everybody on Instagram. I mean, usually like if you guys
Instagram's the way to go.
If you guys don't follow us on Instagram, like Matt said, every night we usually go look at cars online at the auctions and stuff. And yeah, and then you know, people on there, they respond to us, they ask for advice. You know, not that we know much about cars. I mean, we know a lot about cars, but not how to fix them. We know that kind of stuff. But we respond to you guys, so follow us on there.
You think a bolt gonna come out in there?
Oh, let me see.
Look at this. I don't even know where the fridge these go.
Oh, all these bolts over here. Boy, this thing getting in the way.
I'm just taking everything out. It's all coming apart.
This kind of like just a little vlog. I mean, we gotta get something on there to YouTube.
Yeah, we've been slack lately, guys. I know. It's fun making these videos. The problem is, oh, there it goes. It's coming out now. I think I might have figured it out.
What are we doing over here?
If you guys are doing this to your car, this isn't really a how-to, but if you're trying to follow along here, I could probably go through and I'll go through and explain here in a second. But this is a good time to replace your belts. So we already changed our supercharger belt, which I just took off because I don't want to get oil on it. The serpentine belt is covered in oil because this is leaking, so we're gonna go ahead and replace that too. But for right now, I don't really care about taking that off since it's already destroyed. But I'm just trying to take this. Look at this, still tight. So I'm trying to just take this piece off. And as soon as I get this off, I'll show you exactly what we're doing.
Making a mess of what we're doing.
Yeah, no, well the problem is, look at this. My hands are all covered in oil. And I'm trying to...
I'm the cameraman, my hands are clean.
Everything is slippery. Look at this freaking mess. You know what? Sometimes you're better off just paying the professionals to pay them the $500. But then again, I don't think they're very professional.
I don't know, our dealership, I don't know.
Okay, look, the long one goes there, Nick. Remember that.
I guess we'll figure out when you get the short one and you can't even get it to touch.
Oh, victory, baby, victory.
Let me see what's going on here.
So excited. There it is. There's the two little...
Boy, this is all kind of blur action.
These things don't even look like they're bad. They look like they're perfectly fine. Probably took this apart for nothing.
What's probably bad, that one piece?
The one down there, these two, I don't know, the one on there for the oil filter housing might be the bad one. I don't know, but...
Looks like a mess.
Anyways, what we did here was, obviously this sits here. Drain the oil first. Then what we did was we took that big socket, what is that, the 46mm one?
Go on, show them, Matt.
This one right here, 46 millimeter. I bought this off of, actually I got it from Walmart. Yeah. But anyways, there's a bolt inside of there holding the assembly down. Here it is. That comes out. And this whole piece comes out. And then there's, well, obviously it sits like this. There's 2 bolts on top here. If I can pull this even up, I don't know. I'm gonna screw it all out. Wait a second. And then there is, let's set this down for a second. There's one here and one here, then they separate, obviously. And then I'm gonna clean this up because it's pretty messy. And that's pretty much it. That's how you take the seals out. The other one's down here in the bottom. If you put the camera on here, Nick, look.
Where's it at?
I have a towel covering it up because that's the hole for the engine. I don't want, actually there's already stuff going in there. Jeez.
Making a mess,
You tell me what happened to the filter?
My fire ass.
Yeah. You tell me what happened to the filter thing?
No, go on, tell them.
Alright, so let me tell you what happened. Oh, that's hard as a rock. Maybe it is bad.
I don't think it's supposed to be hard as a rock. If it's hard as a rock.
So if you guys, this is our first time ever changing oil on an E55. Actually, this is our first time changing oil ever on a car.
We're good on tractors. Tractors and go-karts we're good at.
Specifically on these Mercedes, you know that the oil filter, this, I guess it's not really a housing, whatever you want to call this, it's supposed to be like this. When we took it apart, we noticed it broke in half and all the little pieces from this were just floating around up there in that filter assembly. So I don't know what happened here. I don't know if, you know, I don't know if I'm not going to say the name of the dealership. I don't know if they screwed it up or somebody changed it. I don't know what happened, but regardless, this is all broken, so we'll probably have to order another one of these.
That's all kind of money.
I don't know, look, here's all the pieces. Look, I literally had to pick them all out with the needle nose plier. Look, here's all the pieces. I had to take them all out with the needle nose plier because, you know, I don't want those going in the engine and ruining anything, but this is like hard as a rock.
Maybe that was the problem.
Maybe, you never know. But I think I'm gonna clean this up real fast and then we'll be back in a minute.
All right, so it's the end of the night. It's like, what is it? It's almost like midnight. I don't know. It might be 11:30, midnight. I don't know. We got the car, everything back together. Matt did all the work.
Not all of it, technically.
Not all of it. We got some things we got to do tomorrow.
Yeah, we have to fix that oil filter thing, that issue we showed you with the broken.
Yeah, we're gonna get one of those.
I don't know what you want to call that. Not the assembly or whatever. So we're gonna call a dealership. Maybe they have one in stock. What else we have to do? We did torque. Well, the list is over there.
We got a list. Yeah,
we have a list of a few things to do. But like I said, this wasn't a
how-to
because we didn't really know exactly what we were doing. But we successfully changed those seals. So if you guys have any questions on how to do it, feel free to ask because, I mean, we know how to do it now, I guess.
Yeah. So that's pretty much it. We just wanted to make a video, you know, like Matt said, just to see how's it going. It's been quite a while. We had to dust off the camera and everything. So like we said at the beginning of the video, check out our Instagram because we're extremely active on our Instagram. Yeah. We're posting like just about every single day on stories. Yeah. We're talking to everybody. A lot of people message us and ask us things, and we always respond to everybody. So
yeah, so go ahead and follow us on there.
Yeah, at the Conforti Brothers. Matt will probably put it up here in the video. But until next time, which is hopefully we won't let it go by like 2 months. Yeah, but that does look pretty. But until next time, hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, just because we haven't made a video in a long time. Yeah. Show some love. Subscribe, like, comment anything you want to know about the car.
Get this all down, Nick.
Huh?
You got it all down now.
I got it all down. What else? Oh yeah, leave negative comments to somebody else's channel, not ours.
Yeah,
that's pretty much it.
All right.
See you guys next time.